Today we are see that various types of a quadrilateral. Now first trapezium. A quadrilateral having one and only one pair of parallel sides is called a trapezium. Okay. Now in a quadrilateral, AB, CD. Okay, A, B, C, D. One pair AB and CD are parallel, and okay, AB is parallel to CD, and non-parallel sides are AD and BC. A trapezium is said to be an isosceles trapezium if its non-parallel sides are equal. Okay, non-parallel sides are equal, that means AD is equal to BC, then it is called isosceles trapezium. Okay, now second, parallelogram. Parallelogram. A quadrilateral in which both pair of opposite sides are parallel is called a parallelogram. A quadrilateral in which both pair of opposite sides are parallel is called a parallelogram. Okay. Now in figure, A, B, C, D are quadrilateral and AB is parallel to CD, AB is parallel to CD, and AD is parallel to BC, then ABCD is called a parallelogram. Properties of a parallelogram. Okay, तो property first देखिए. Properties of parallelogram. First, opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal and parallel. Opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal and parallel. That means AB is parallel to CD and AB is equal to CD. AD is parallel to BC and AD is equal to BC. Okay. Opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. Opposite angle, angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D. Okay. These are opposite angle, angle A and angle C. In a parallelogram, angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D. The diagonals of this called AC and BD are called the diagonals of a parallelogram, and in a parallelogram the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect to each other. That means OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. Third, rhombus. Rhombus. A parallelogram in which all sides are equal. All sides are equal. In a parallelogram, all sides are equal is called rhombus. That means ABCD is a parallelogram, then AB is equal to BC and AB is equal to BC and BC is equal to CD and CD is equal to AD. Okay, so that in a rhombus AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC and AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. Then a parallelogram is called rhombus. Properties of rhombus. The opposite sides of a rhombus are parallel. Opposite sides of a rhombus are parallel. All sides of a rhombus are equal. The opposite angles of a rhombus are equal and diagonals of rhombus bisect to each other at right angle. Okay, bisect of the diagonals of a rhombus at a राइट एंगल. ये एंगल जो होगा ये राइट एंगल होगा रोम्बस के लिए. ओके. नंबर 4 रेक्टेंगल. रेक्टेंगल a parallelogram in which each angle is 90 degree. Parallelogram, each angle is 90 degree. A, B, C, D. Opposite sides are equal. Okay. AB is equal to CD and AD is equal to BC and each angle is 90 degree. Okay. Then the parallelogram is called rectangle. Okay. Properties of a rectangle. Properties of a rectangle. Opposite sides of a rectangle are equal and parallel. Each angles of a rectangle is 90 degree. The diagonals of a rectangle are equal. That means AC is equal to BD. Number 5, square. Okay. A parallelogram in which all sides are equal and each angle is 90 degree. A parallelogram, all sides are equal. Okay. All sides are equal. That means AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA and angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degree. Then it is called a square. Properties of a square. The sides of a square are all equal. AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. And angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degree. And the diagonals of a square AC is equal to BD. Okay. And intersect at a right angle. Okay. Number 6, kite. Okay. A kite. A, B, C, D. This is a kite. A quadrilateral which has two pair of equal adjacent sides but unequal opposite sides is called kite. These two sides are equal. Okay? Yes. CD is equal to BC and AD is equal to AB. A quadrilateral which has two pair of equal adjacent sides but unequal opposite sides is called a kite. Okay. So all the types of a quadrilateral are remembered. Okay. Thank you.